Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be doing a French girl inspired makeup look. This is according to Marie Claire magazine. I was looking through the magazine and there were a number of different types of looks that they were doing. I was inspired by a couple of these looks. You know, we've got like really barefaced, but the main key thing to take was that they had quite bare lips, although one of them does sport a red lip here. You know, the eyes are pretty much just a little bit of liner, a little bit of mascara. Then there's also a bit more rosier cheeks. Again, a very pale, sort of muted pink sheer lip. And the next page here, which I think I'm going to be doing, is this one here with the winged feline, cat eye, minimal blush, bare lips. And this one here, she's sort of wearing like a frosty lilac shadow, not too much color to the skin. Key emphasis also on the hair, fringe heavy. They're actually rocking a smudged kohl look eyeliner with a little bit of shadow as well blended in. But again, the skin doesn't have too much color. What I'm going to be doing is my take on it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is pulling out my Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection foundation and nearly used it up. It's down to there now. So I'm just going to give that a shake, and I am going to be blending it in with a damp beauty sponge. The key thing here is to really perfect the base, make it as smooth as possible in terms of, you know, covering up, just making sure that the complexion is evened out. Now, if you do need to spot conceal, by all means, you can definitely go ahead and spot conceal. I'll see how I go after I do this layer of foundation. And at the same time, what I'm also going to be doing is using the Revlon 5-in-1 concealer just to conceal under the eyes at the same time. Put a bit over the lids as well. Damp beauty sponge and blending out that foundation. What I love about the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime foundation is that you can build it up to be very sheer, or you can make it more full coverage. See, already, just by doing 2 pumps, I feel like it's just sunk in already. And, you know, of course I am using a damp beauty sponge, which also soaks up excess product. I have already done my eyebrows using the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. So you can still see my brown spots and pigmentation coming through the skin, but the skin tone is a lot more evened out now. So you can go ahead with a little bit more coverage, which maybe I actually will, because I feel like, you know, these girls in the photos there, whether it's photoshopped or not, have pretty, you know, flawless, no brown spots showing through, no melasma, no hyperpigmentation coming through at all. So I feel like I do need to do a bit more coverage. So I am going to just concentrate that more on the hyperpigmentation spot areas. I don't think I need any more on the forehead, just a little bit more here. But I have also primed my skin beforehand with a SPF product. So I am using an SPF sunscreen under this foundation as well. Now it's time to blend out the concealer under the eyes and over the lid. I'm going to set the upper eyelid with some translucent powder because we're going to do a flick, and because we've already put a bit of concealer over the lids, it will crease. So I'm just dipping in my sponge into the Rimmel. This one here is the Kind and Free Rimmel translucent powder. And I'm just going to put that over the eyelid. So that has pretty much given us a nice matted look to the lid, but it doesn't look flat and it doesn't look like it's caked up with powder. Now it's time to do the wing. So I'm going in with my Better Than Sex Too Faced. This one is the Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Pen. And working that across the lid and then doing the wing. Now just be careful to let that dry down first before you fully open your eye, because you don't want the liner transferring up to the upper eyelid. And I do find looking down into a mirror doing this is the easiest way. And just take your time doing small brush strokes. Now they have left the lower lash line bare with no mascara. I'm just checking to see if she's got mascara. Yeah, she does have. She is wearing a bit of mascara on the top lashes. I'm using the Hypnose by Lancome mascara. Which one is this one? This is just the plain Hypnose mascara by Lancome. And I'm going to be just coating the upper lashes with some mascara. Okay, so mascara is now completed. So again, looking at most of these pages, the skin is bare. There's hardly any blush on the cheeks. However, in one of the photos, she is wearing blush and it is placed higher up on the cheekbones there. So that's what I'm going to do, because I feel like I look a little bit dead without color on my cheeks. And I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in Pinkgasm. So just putting one dot on the cheeks, and I'm blending that out with my fingers. And I'm placing it up really high, sort of on the outer edge of under the eye. Like I'm talking very subtle. I don't know, I feel like I do need a bit more. And don't be afraid to add more if you need to. You can always build up slowly, but if you do go overboard, simply just get your damp beauty sponge and pat over it. I do have a little lip balm on my lips at the moment, so I'm just going to wipe it off, because in most of the photos they're not shiny, if you know what I mean. Like they're kind of just like they've got a balm on their lips, and that is all. And what I might do is, I might go for the red lip actually. I'm liking this red lip, so that's what I'm going to do, and then I will find a red lipstick to complete the look. Okay, I think I found the perfect red lipstick. It's by Flower Beauty. This is one of my most favorite red lipsticks in the whole world, and it's the Poppy Pout lipstick by Flower Beauty. Lining the lips first with a lip liner pencil. This is the Sol Matte by Morphe lip pencil in honey, and I will be overdrawing the lips. Just to give a bit of shape. This is the shade, by the way. I'm going to be just dabbing on the lipstick. I did kind of fix up my fringe and gave it just a little bit of a bend with the wand. But guys, that is the French girl style inspired makeup look. It's really easy actually. I mean, what did I use for products? Okay, I used the Charlotte Tilbury blush, the lipstick by Flower Beauty, Lancome mascara, Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid eyeliner, Morphe lip liner, Revlon concealer, the Pat McGrath foundation, and the Rimmel Kind and Free translucent setting powder. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If there is a look that you would like me to do, please leave it in the comments below and I will definitely consider doing it. I'm always looking out for new ideas. I know this one was inspired to be a French girl style makeup. And, you know, I'm not one for really labeling looks because I believe, you know, there's a lot of French girls out there that go heavy with makeup. And I think when you talk about international makeup in general, everyone has their aesthetic, but it's a bit of fun. So anyway, guys, that is it. I will see you all again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day or night wherever you are. Bye for now.